How to start a wedding venue business, step-by-step guide for entrepreneurs. Hey there, dreamers and doers. Welcome. Are you ready to turn your passion for love and celebration into a thriving wedding venue business? Whether you've got a picturesque barn, a sprawling estate, or just a vision, this video is your step-by-step guide to launching a successful wedding venue from scratch. Stick around, grab a notebook, and let's make those wedding bells ring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more business tips. Starting a wedding venue business is exciting, but it takes planning, grit, and a sprinkle of creativity. Today, we'll cover the 6 key steps to get your venue up and running, plus a bonus tip to stand out in 2025's competitive market. Let's dive in. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Before you open your doors, you need to know your market. Wedding venues are a $10 billion industry in the US alone, with couples spending an average of $6,000 on their venue. Start by researching local demand. Are couples in your area looking for rustic barns, elegant estates, or quirky greenhouse vibes? Check out competitors on platforms like The Knot or Wedding Wire to see what they offer and where you can shine. Your niche is your secret sauce. Maybe you'll specialize in eco-friendly weddings with sustainable decor, or micro-weddings for intimate gatherings. For example, colorful florals and vibrant aesthetics are trending in 2025, so consider offering bold, Instagram-worthy setups. Ask yourself, what makes my venue unique? Write down your vision, and let it guide every decision. Step 2. Create a solid business plan. A wedding venue is a business, not just a pretty space. Your business plan is your roadmap. Outline your startup costs, think property purchase or lease, renovations, furniture, and staff. On average, starting a venue can cost $50,000 to $500,000, depending on scale. Factor in ongoing expenses like utilities, marketing, and insurance. Next, define your revenue streams. Will you charge a flat rental fee, offer all-inclusive packages, or upsell extras like catering or decor? Research pricing in your area. Rustic venues might charge $3,000 to $8,000 per event, while luxury estates can go way higher. Include a marketing strategy, too. We'll dive into that later. If numbers aren't your thing, grab a free business plan template from score.org or consult a local small business development center. Step 3. Secure your property and permits. Got a property in mind? Awesome! Whether it's a fixer-upper barn or a scenic vineyard, make sure it's zoned for commercial events. Contact your local zoning office to confirm you can host weddings and how many guests are allowed. You'll also need permits, think liquor licenses, fire safety certifications, and health permits if you're serving food. Renovate with weddings in mind. Couples want ample parking, accessible restrooms, and a backup plan for bad weather, like a tent or indoor space. Safety is non-negotiable. Install fire alarms, emergency exits, and meet ADA accessibility standards. Pro tip: hire a contractor experienced in event spaces to avoid costly mistakes. This step can take 6 to 12 months, so plan ahead. Step 4. Design and equip your venue. This is where the magic happens. Your venue's aesthetic is what sells it. In 2025, brides are obsessed with vibrant florals, draped ceilings, and personalized touches like custom signage. Invest in versatile decor. Think neutral tables and chairs that work with any theme, plus statement pieces like chandeliers or arbors. Essential equipment includes a sound system for speeches, lighting for evening events, and a bridal suite for prep. Consider sustainability. Offer foam-free floral options or rent decor to eco-conscious couples. Create a signature look that pops in photos, because Instagram and TikTok are your best marketing tools. Stage a mock wedding and hire a photographer to capture shareable content. Step 5. Market your venue like a pro. Time to get the word out. Build a stunning website with high-quality photos, pricing details, and a contact form. Platforms like Squarespace or Wix make this easy. Optimize your site for SEO with keywords like wedding venue near your city or rustic wedding venue. List your venue on wedding directories like The Knot, Zola, and Wedding Wire. Couples search these daily. Social media is your megaphone. Post behind-the-scenes content on Instagram and TikTok, like venue setup time-lapses or vendor spotlights. Collaborate with local vendors, photographers, florists, caterers for cross-promotion. Attend bridal shows or host an open house to attract bookings. Pro tip: hire a wedding content creator to capture shareable moments that go viral. In 2025, authentic, candid content is king. Step 6. Deliver an unforgettable experience. Your first wedding sets the tone for your reputation. Hire a reliable team, event coordinators, cleaning staff, and on-site managers to keep things smooth. Create clear contracts outlining pricing, cancellation policies, and rules like noise limits. Communicate with couples regularly to ease their stress. Go above and beyond for guests. Offer welcome drinks, clear signage, and fun touches like a Polaroid guestbook. After the event, ask for reviews on Google and wedding platforms. Positive feedback drives bookings. Fun fact: 80% of couples read reviews before choosing a venue, so make every event a 5-star experience. Stay ahead of 2025 trends. Want to stand out? Lean into what brides are searching for in 2025. Offer colorful, vibrant floral arrangements, think pink and orange bouquets, or unique activities like a pickleball tournament for guests. Create Instagrammable moments, like a neon sign with the couple's hashtag. Stay flexible with micro-weddings or private vow ceremonies, as couples are skipping traditions for personal touches. Check out platforms like Pinterest for trending ideas, and keep your venue fresh and bookable. And there you have it, your roadmap to launching a wedding venue business that couples will rave about. Rings start small, dream big, and don't be afraid to make your venue uniquely you. Have questions or want more tips? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.